Hello everyone! In this video I'll show you a cool DIY project you can make from an old mobile phone charger. Let's take apart the charger and remove the circuit board from it. Now you need to desolder three components from the board. These are the transistor, the transformer and the resistor. You need to find the resistor with a resistance between 20 and 100 ohms. Now take these components as well as a piece of prototyping board and solder everything according to the schematic shown on the screen. This is how it should turn out. We'll also need a lamp socket, to which you should immediately connect two pieces of wire. For now, set the socket aside and take two pieces of PVC pipe. The smaller piece needs to be cut and a small section should be separated from it. Now apply glue to it and insert it into the larger piece of pipe. Inside the pipe, apply sealant and then insert the socket. Next, we need to cut the neck of a 5-liter water bottle. Apply glue to the neck and glue it to the back side of the pipe. Unscrew the cap and make several holes in it, as shown in the video. Insert the button, which already has wire soldered to it, into the large hole. Also, insert the LED, which I desoldered from the same power supply, and the Type-C connector. Secure everything with hot glue. Here's what I got. Next, I took all batteries from Nokia and Sony Ericsson mobile phones, but you can use 18650 batteries. We taped the batteries together with double-sided tape. Also, to charge the batteries, you need to attach a TP4056 board. Now we solder the wires to the batteries and connect them to the board. We take all the parts of our homemade device and connect them according to the diagram shown on the screen. Carefully place everything inside and screw the lid on. You also need to put a bottle handle on the pipe and glue it on. At this stage, the homemade device is finished. Now watch how it works. We screw in any 220 volt bulb and see that it lights up. As you can see, we made a step-up voltage converter from 3.7 volts to 220. You can take such a device with you on a camping trip and use it as a camping light. The advantage of this device is that you can screw in any light bulb, just not a very powerful one. And you can charge it with a regular mobile phone charger. When the LED is on, it means it's charging. When it's done, it will turn off. This is how the device lights up a 60 square meter room. If you like this DIY project, give this video a like, share it with your friends, leave comments, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell. Thanks for watching and goodbye.